Now we talk about what is a centripetal force. We talk about any object which is in a uniform circular motion. We know that motion is not possible without any kind of a force. Yes. Now if a body is moving in a uniform circular motion, there is a force responsible for that kind of motion and we term that force as a centripetal force. हमें उस फोर्स को बुलाना है सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स, क्योंकि मोशन है, यूनिफॉर्म सर्कुलर भी हुआ तो भी वो मोशन ही है, एंड देयर हैज टू बी अ फोर्स रिस्पांसिबल एंड वी नेम दैट फोर्स एज अ सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स. नाउ सेंट्रीपिटल इज अ वर्ड मेड फ्रॉम टू वर्ड्स, सेंट्री and petal, which means center seeking force, the force which always acts towards the center of that circular path, right? So centripetal का meaning क्या है? Center seeking, or the force which act always towards the center of that circular path. That is why the name centripetal force. So how do we define that? So it's a force acting on a body which is moving in a circular path. Yes, and where is it directed? The direction is towards the center of that circular path. इसका मैग्नीट्यूड होता है वो हमेशा सेम रहता है. Why? Because the speed is not changing, so the magnitude of the force remains same, but at every point of time, every interval of time, you see that it is changing the direction. So अब जैसे A में देखा तो it is acting in this direction. If you look at point B, it is acting in the other direction. What are the examples wherein the centripetal force is acting? Now all these bodies which are in a circular motion, uniform circular motion, we say they are having dynamic equilibrium. Now dynamic equilibrium क्या होता है? Dynamic equilibrium is if a body is in a particular kind of motion, it could be linear or circular motion, it continues being in that same direction, है ना, without changing any of its direction or speed. I mean direction तो इसमें change हो रहा है, but then speed नहीं. तो any object which is in motion continues being in motion, तो ये उसका dynamic equilibrium का state है. Now let us see some examples and we will see what is it that provides the centripetal force in these type of motions. Now we all know that the electrons are revolving around the nucleus in particular orbits. Yes. Now when we are talking about those electrons, they are moving with a uniform speed but changing the direction. तो ये किस में है? They are in the uniform circular motion, and the force between the electron and the nucleus, which is providing the centripetal force here. Isn't it? तो ये एक example हो गया bodies experiencing centripetal forces. Yes. Now we talked about the planets revolving around the sun, right? Now there is this gravitational force between the sun and the planets which is providing the essential centripetal force for the movement of the planets around the sun. They are also moving in that same orbit, they're not changing their path and they continue moving in the same speed. So वो भी एक example है uniform circular motion का, जहाँ